Today I'll be calling cable. My name is Wakar Meyer and I'm your Elliott Wave analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. Okay, so yesterday I said that we were finishing 4. In other words, I was calling that 5 waves down 4. But based on the price action since that video, I'm reconsidering that. I'm thinking that this is 4, 5 is complete, and that we've gotten 5 waves down and now a correction. So chances are these 5 waves down are A, we're still working on B, and then we're going to get C. And if you remember, I said that this wave 1 was the longest wave, so according to the Elliott Wave principle, the retracement is most likely to come near the terminus of 2. And this is the trade that I've already set up. I think that this move up right here, that's 3 waves. So this move down should come down at least 90%. It could make a new low, and when I say 90%, I mean 90% of this rise right here. So it could make a new low, but then I expect it to move up, okay? And let me see here. If I go to a smaller time frame, this is a 3-hour chart. If I go to something closer to an hour, 54 minutes, the reason why I'm setting up my entry in the place that I'm setting it up is because there appears to be a price gap. And as soon as this comes back on with the picture, I'll show it to you. Okay, well, I'll just switch over to an 18-minute while that's working. As you can see right here, right, there's a price gap right there. This bar ended, gap down, and to a high degree of probability, gaps get covered. They get filled, and they get filled usually fairly quickly. Now, this right here, let me get rid of this. I moved it over, but let's move it back. This is 3 waves up. Now, you could say, well, 3 waves up, completion of B, right? I don't think so. And part of the reason, and most of it's structural, but part of the reason is the price gap too. I think that this right here is 3 waves. You've got A, B, C. That makes A. This is A, B, and you're getting C. That's going to make B, and then we're going to get 5 waves up for C, and that's probably going to cover this gap, right? It's going to come up and cover that like a Tron light cycle. Let's go back to the 54-minute chart, and it's still doing its thing. Let's try something different. Yeah, we'll skip that for now. But anyway, let me put my trade setup that I'm considering. Where is that? So what I'm thinking is go ahead and enter as that gap gets covered. Your stop loss, I've got it right here, okay? That's going to be a new high, and your take profit, I'm putting it down at 1.55. That's not at the terminus, but it's close, and the reason why I'm doing that is that's where the lowest Fibonacci resistance point is for the weekly chart. So it's my, what I call S5 for the weekly. Let's see if that's come on yet. Okay, there it is. So once again, 3, 4, 5. This would be your out. And if I do a Fibonacci price extension, so here's A, this is our B potentially, and you see that, you know, that's just before C would hit 161 if it does keep moving down. Like I say, you know, move up and then move down. So after that, I would take profit because I think it's going to go long again, and that's going to finish the C wave of E. That's today's call. I hope you'll join me again for tomorrow's call.